Hello, my name is Neja, and now I will be exploring blocks in the main course area. Actually, a while ago I was exploring manager practice area, and it didn't look right because it wasn't right. So the most important thing is to start from the proper place, and this is the proper place for exploring blocks. Where are the blocks? Another important question. The blocks are on the left and on the right. The part in the middle is the main area or the body or whatever. And we are going to explore blocks. Starting from here, YouTube channel, a lot of great videos, helpful, but I'm not going to subscribe at the moment. I actually subscribed and then by mistake unsubscribed, and I hope I'm subscribed now because I watched them. In the activities, okay, choices, I have no idea what choices are, but let's see. Okay, it is yes, the old question of choosing the format for your Moodle course. My answer, I suppose it is my answer, because I did say fully online, and my course should be fully online. Good. So I should go back, and I'm back. The next is forums. I will again click this button. When it comes to clicking button, from my first period of online activities, when actually I was a technophobe, I was afraid of pressing the button because I didn't know where they lead me, and I always had a problem of finding the right button. It was always there somewhere, but I never spotted it in the first an hour or 2 hours of my activities. So now I'm much freer to press different buttons and jump to wherever they will lead me. Now this button actually led to the announcements, okay, and to some learning forums, moderators and support. Actually, I visited that forum, Teachers Lounge. Okay, I don't know if I was there. I suppose I was. And then we have practically everything, every single forum, every single question that we did, and we are in week 3. Okay, and this is basically my first video for week 3. I'm going back again. Right, group self-selection. Now let's see how far we got. Okay, I can't see. I should press here and see. Why not? Okay. Right, so we have, here am I in the teacher training group. Okay, we have a full group of general course for teenagers, and another 2 groups of 3. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups so far. Work-life balance. This is where I would go if I could have another choice. So Anastasia, good luck. Good. Going back again to one more step back to podcasts. Let's chat. Teachers podcasts. Okay. Have I done anything here? No, I don't think so, but it is a nice let's chat idea and podcast. Going back again to the home page, resources. Are they the same resources? Yes, they are all the same, just Here we have PowerPoint presentations used in the webinars. I like this person here pointing at the right direction. Hopefully it is the right direction. Going back and WizIQ classes. Now this is something that I should explore further. Okay, I will explore later because it is 5 minutes. Okay, right. I would just like to say hello to Ella and Alan, who are here as well. I will leave no comments, but will definitely some other time. Quickly to the right page, latest announcement. The latest announcement is learning about blocks managers. I've read it. We have upcoming events. I really like live events. Okay, my badges for week 1, week 2. I think this would be enough. Thank you for listening. Bye.